Want to hatch Pokemon Go eggs faster without walking endless miles? You're in the right place. Today, I'll share the best tips to speed up egg hatching in Pokemon Go. Let's get started. Tip 1. Use Adventure Sync. First, enable Adventure Sync. This feature tracks your steps even when the app is closed. Go to Settings, Adventure Sync, and turn it on. With this, every step you take, whether the app is open or not, counts toward hatching your eggs. Tip 2. Incubator Strategy. Next, make the most of your incubators. Always use your infinite orange incubator for 2 kilometers eggs, and save your blue or purple incubators for 5 kilometers, 7 kilometers, or 10 kilometers eggs. This way, you'll hatch more eggs efficiently without wasting premium incubators. Tip 3. Combine with events. Third, take advantage of special events. Pokemon Go often hosts events where hatch distances are cut in half or reduced by 1/3. Plan your hatching during these events to save time and incubators. Tip 4. Use a GPS spoofer for easy hatching. Finally, if you're indoors or can't go out, use TunesKit Location Changer. With this tool, you can change your GPS location without actually moving. Simply set a route and simulate walking at a customized speed. This way, your eggs hatch without leaving home, all within Niantic's fair play rules if you use it responsibly. And that's it. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments.